Hi, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we're going to be exploring the 5 smartest dog breeds. We'll be discussing their intelligence, their history, and why they're so special. So, let's get started, shall we? Number 1. The first breed on our list is the Border Collie. This is a very intelligent and athletic breed. They originated in Scotland and were bred for herding sheep. They are recognized as the most intelligent breed of dog. And they can learn new commands and tricks very quickly. Number 2. The Poodle. Poodles are a highly intelligent and elegant breed. They originated in Germany and were used for hunting. Amazing, isn't it? Poodles are known for their intelligence and are great at problem solving. Our number 3 is the German Shepherd. This is a strong and intelligent breed. They were originally bred for herding and protecting animals. They are very loyal and can learn all types of commands quickly. Now number 4. The Golden Retrievers are the 4th smartest breed on our list. This is an intelligent and loyal breed that was originally bred for hunting. They are great at problem solving and can remember commands easily. Now last but not least, number 5. The last breed on our list is the Australian Cattle Dog, also known as the Blue Heeler. This is an intelligent and loyal breed that was originally bred for herding cattle. They are great at solving problems and can learn commands easily. Well, those are our 5 smartest dog breeds. We hope you enjoyed learning about these amazing breeds. Please make sure to like and subscribe and comment to our channel to view more of our videos. Thank you for watching.